National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for the Delaware Bay, including Slaughter Beach, Brandywine Shoal Light, Brown Shoal Light, Cross Ledge Light, East Point, Fortesk Beach, 14-foot bank light and Mile Light, until 1:30 a.m. At 12:23 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms producing strong winds 34 knots or greater from 18 nautical miles northwest of Slaughter Beach to 9 nautical miles southwest of Slaughter Beach, or from 12 nautical miles west of Bowers Beach to 9 nautical miles southwest of Slaughter Beach, moving northeast at 30 knots. These strong thunderstorms will be near over Slaughter Beach by 12:40 a.m. over Brown Shoal Light, by 12:55 a.m. over Mile Light, 14-foot bank light, Cross Ledge Light, and Brandywine Shoal Light by 1 a.m. over Fortesk Beach, by 1:10 a.m. over East Point. By 1:20 a.m. mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.